My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello, my name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialty is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental rug that is saturated with a dog or cat's urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, any. No deodorize, no enzyme, and no pee-pee. Guarantee. So let me show you what I have today. A nice gentleman called me one day and said to me, many years ago I used to work at Stanley Steamer, and I know a lot of things about rugs. Now I have a beautiful Oriental rug. Then my wife cat pee on it constantly. I know you cannot remove the yellow stain. However, can you clean the rug and promise me then the rest of the rug, the color is not going to run and is not going to be any fuzz in it on the surface of the rug? I said, definitely. This is the specialty about the PetPeePee machine and the blended minerals from the Dead Sea. Then I invented. I told the gentleman, I don't use no scrubber that cause the fuzziness on the surface of the rug. I never use any harsh chemicals. I'm using organic odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Then it's eatable. And this will remove the urine odor completely. The gentleman picked up the rug, came to my warehouse. I put the rug on the vacuum floor, and he was sitting and watching how I clean his rug. My invention is very simple. The blended minerals from the Dead Sea flood the rug on the top, and the extraction from under the rug produce a vacuum that everything's go through the rug. When the blended minerals going through the rug, it take with him all the urine crystal, the cleaning product the customer used, the soap, the enzyme, the Estee Lauder, the Chanel 5, the dog saliva, everything's flush and go down to the bottom of the pen. The pump suck everything's out, put it in the tube, and it show me the top of the tube, you see the foam, is all the cleaning product the customer use, because all of them soap. And this cleaning process progress more and more and more. And before I complete, you can see the tube is almost clear. Another 1 or 2 cycle, and then the cleaning process complete. I let the rug dry on the floor flat, so I am guarantee no trace of any urine odor and no color run. This is the rug that you're watching right now is 18 by 28 feet. One of the largest rug and the antique rug I ever cleaned. 120 years old. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing cleaning Oriental rug from urine odor naturally. Nationwide service.